Well, hello there, my mathematicians. Today we're going to be practicing two-digit subtraction, and I have a brand new strategy to show you today. It is called the break-apart strategy. All of the activities you'll be completing today are on Seesaw and have already been assigned to you, but first I want to show you what the break-apart strategy is. So, this first problem you're just going to watch and listen. On page 2 for the second problem, you're going to be completing it with me on your whiteboard. Okay, so the first thing we need to do in a subtraction problem using the break-apart strategy is draw an open triangle under the second digit in the problem. 65 is the first digit, 12 is after the subtraction sign, it's the second digit. Now we need to break it up into tens and ones. There is 110 in 12, and the value of 110 is 10. And there are 2 ones in 12, and the value of 2 ones is 2. Now, over on the side is where I'm going to complete my subtraction problem. I'm going to start by taking away the value of the tens, which in this problem is 10, from 65. So over here on the side, I'm going to write it out. 65 minus 10 equals, and now to find the difference of this problem, I can count back, I can use a number chart, I can draw a quick picture. And so 65 minus 10, I'm going to do some mental math. And that is 55. And now we need to take away the value of the ones, 2, from 55, because we're not done subtracting it. So 55 minus 2 equals, and again, you can count back, you can draw a quick picture, you can use your number chart, number line, and I'm just going to do this one out loud and touch my head as I count back. 55, 54, 53. So then, that is our difference of 65 and 12. Okay, now you're going to try one with me. Get your whiteboard and your whiteboard marker ready. Here's our next problem. 48 minus 27. We are trying to find the difference of 48 and 27. Okay, write this problem down on your board in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The first thing we need to do here is draw an open triangle. Oop, let me switch back to this. An open triangle underneath the second digit. And actually, I'm going to make that even a little bit bigger. I don't want a little baby triangle. I want a big one. Okay, so if you didn't make a big one, fix it real quick. Now we need to find the value of the tens. Well, if you look here, the digit in the tens place is a 2. The value of 2 tens, what is that? If I had 2 tens, we would count 10, 20. Did you say 20? Ooh, good answer. Now we need to find the value of the ones in 27. What is that? Did you say 7? Yep, you got it. All right. Now, somewhere on the side where you have space is where we'll show the work. Even if you use mental math, a number line, or a quick picture, you have to show the subtraction problems that you broke down to get the difference. That's why it's called the break-apart strategy. We have to show that we've broken apart the number. So let's start with writing the first equation. 48 minus, we're going to start with the tens. 48 minus 20 equals, now the quickest way to get this answer is by, again, looking at the numbers in the tens place. We don't even want to look at the ones yet. So what is 4 minus 2? You can use your fingers for this one. Even if you are not sure, you can always check on your fingers for this one. Did you say 2? That's correct. And now the digit in the ones place stays the same. We didn't do anything with it. So it's 28. Now we have a new subtraction problem to write because we still have one more digit to take away. 28 minus, and we're going to use the number in the ones place, 7, equals, have this written on your board in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now you can use a strategy to subtract 7 from 28. Did you get 21? You got it, mathematician. The difference of 48 and 27 is 21. And now you'll have 2 problems to solve in this activity. On pages 3 and 4, you need to make sure that you show your work. I've also included these problems on pages 1 and 2 that will be blank. I'd like you to solve those as well. If you by some chance finish early, I'm going to challenge you to record yourself, explaining what you did to find your differences. Tell me what strategy you used, what you did first, and then I want you to go on and explain to me how you know your answer is correct. Because what if somebody else got a different answer? How will you prove that your answer is the correct answer? Is there something you can do to check your work? Is there another way that you can look at your problem? Just let me know. And you can always come back to this video to watch it again. Have a great time, my mathematicians, and I'll see you soon.